Shocking LinkedIn ad facts to consider. LinkedIn is considered to be the go-to place for B2B marketers, with 91% of business-to-business marketers using the platform to generate leads, to drive brand awareness, and to encourage sales. Speaking about sales, did you know that LinkedIn is also considered to be the social platform most efficient in completing the sales cycle? That's right, and it is all thanks to its B2B-centric nature. This fact is reflected in a good 63% of marketers reporting positive results, with over 80% of them wanting to increase their use of the platform for advertising. It is also worth noting that LinkedIn is the best platform to launch or promote a new product or service, as 8 in every 10 B2B marketers use it for that purpose, citing how advertising their new offers in the right context facilitate engagement. LinkedIn ads generate great levels of engagement. For example, ads that show customer-friendly benefits via visual aids such as images increase the likelihood of getting comments by 98%, and ads that link to your videos can increase the share rate by 75%. This is a great example of how targeting the right audience can generate engagement on its own. On average, 46% of social media traffic directed to business-to-business websites is generated on LinkedIn. This is because great content on LinkedIn encourages decision makers to go back to your site after learning about your brand or business on a previous ad. This increased traffic is also likely to contain those people that are more likely to convert into leads, according to a solid 79% of B2B marketers, who say that LinkedIn's advanced targeting features can help you to convert traffic into qualified leads. That is why it is not surprising to learn that over 80% of business-to-business leads are generated from LinkedIn, which is a difficult number to pull off on social networks where the audience is not highly targeted and specific as the one populating the LinkedIn platform. A correlation has been found between mobile traffic and sales on LinkedIn, as 57% of people who use LinkedIn do so from a mobile device, with 10 pieces of content consumed by qualified leads before they make a purchasing decision. This means that you should focus on driving sales through advertising a content series that can take qualified leads through a 10-part funnel. The content that you serve on the platform has to be the highest quality and highly relevant to your target audience, as you will be competing for attention in a sea of a whopping 9 billion newsfeed content impressions a week. 50% of B2B LinkedIn users rely on LinkedIn to make purchasing decisions. This is why sales ads on the platform should be focused on selling a solution to an organizational problem and not about selling a product itself. Creating a strong, authoritative presence and connecting with and engaging your prospects to build and maintain a good business relationship should be your top advertising goal.